Hussain, hot and sweltering conditions out there, never easy as an all-rounder, but you played your part perfectly. First with the ball and then with the bat. Mike will help.
Yeah, first of all, I would like to thank Almighty Allah. I think yeah, it's difficult, it's hard, we all know. But we all prepared for this time. And the conditions are not easy today. That's why I just took my time. Although we want to play aggressive cricket, but in condition in UAE didn't allow you to go full-fledged. That's why we talk a lot in the team meetings. Also, Salman talked to us, and then Mike came and they talked to us. We have to play with the field and go with our best shots.
Now, at 47 for 4 and 80 for 5, you had to get partnerships together. How difficult was it to get the measurement of or assess the surface and then, like you said, play your shots but be controlled at it?
Yeah, the plan was to go straight away, go and attack, but I just backed my gut feeling, and because we got 2 early wickets when I came into bat, and that's why I just thought my gut feeling. Like I was like, I have to take some time and then the boundaries will come.
And the boundaries came thick and fast. We're obviously watching your highlights back. Now, partnership was also important with Nawaz, and support at the other end was crucial.
Yeah, there was a lot of humidity and my energy was low. That's why I just told Nawaz, like, at the end we decided he will go and I will see if I got some bowler, I will go after him. And I think hats off to Nawaz, how he finished, because my energy was very low.
Well, you might be sapping of energy right now, but wasn't the case when you were out there with the ball. 2 important wickets and were on a hat-trick at one point.
Yeah, I was working on my bowling quite a lot with the bowling coach Ash. That's what we planned. Yeah, we all know when I came to bat, team will go after me. We all know that, and I have to back my plan B, and then suddenly if I bowl two good overs for the team, that will help, and then I have to do something with the bat. I'll be man of the match.
Well, so you have indeed. Great game all around. Go well for the next one.
Thank you.
Thank you for chatting to us. That was your DP World Player of the